All right, so we have two more images that we need to deal with. If we go to the design and we scroll down, it's right here. It's the author images. Now if we zoom in a little bit to see the styling, it looks like we have a face with a circle, a bit of a white border, and maybe a final border or a drop shadow right around it. Now we could just copy this image here and use it directly. But it seems likely that this image is going to be pulled from a dynamic library of different people that are using the site. There may be more people added as authors, and the individual people might want to change out their picture. And so if we had to manually add this style to each one of these images, that would be a huge pain. There would be delays in getting it done. Some of them might not get styled at all. And so a much better solution is to allow the user to upload their own image, and we just use a basic square or rectangular image, and we handle the styling with CSS. So doing that isn't too big of a deal. We would use a couple different techniques that we've used on separate elements and bring them together. First of all, we would create an element and then use this image as the background image. That will allow us to style the edges however we'd like. And so then we would create the round effect by adding a border radius to it. Then we could add a border to that. And finally, we could add a drop shadow using the box shadow property. So let's get started with that.